Introduce myself. My name is Varuha Sukkel. I was born on 23 of January 1991. Special skill Thailand and National Acting Arts. Now I'm studying in Faculty of Information Technology, Bachelor of Science Program in Computer Science at Bangkok University. Throughout the study for 4 years in Property University. I attended Profession Experience Language Place and foreign teacher assistant status in high school. Student level 1 to 6 in Ritya Wannalai School of Siam Computer and Language School, Major Minburi Institution. And I joined the Profession Experience in Information Technology Place at Weather Division Directorate of Air Operation Control and joined to contest and show in festival activity ceremony anything from University Herald.